Welcome to the set of Boeing Boeing here at the Trinity Playhouse, Stage Left Players. We are super excited about our set, and we're going to give you a little bit of behind-the-scenes view of it. We've got 7 doors for this farce set in 1960s, and we've got lots of fun behind each of these doors. This was in itself a monumental task for us. We had all the doors up for our first rehearsal like a month ago, and you'll see how this whole set evolved. But I want to show you, it's not just what you see here, but we've got some rooms that we've actually created here. So here we are. We've got the bedroom here. This is one of the bedrooms.
Hi.
Hi. That's one of our actors, Robert. Yeah, learning your lines?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, and so then we're going over here to the bathroom. Here we are. Oh, geez, another one of our...
Excuse me, sorry.
Okay. Back on me. Okay, so yeah, that was the bathroom, right? Very good, very good. You saw me come in the main entrance. This room here is the courtyard. Good, nobody's hiding behind there. And again, just another room for all of the antics that go on with the door closings, that kind of stuff. So let's head over here. Other side of the stage, we have, the Playhouse is a long, narrow space, so it's rather interesting to even try to get this going here. But this is the main bedroom for Monsieur Bernard and his wives. Right here. Check this out. A lot of fun. Yeah. Okay, what's going on? What? Yeah.
It was a long rehearsal.
Oh yeah, it was. It was pretty grueling. Okay. All right. So yeah. So that's the bedroom, and then we have the dining room right here. They go and dine. Can't dine too much, but kind of at least looks a little bit. We have a Paris painting, is very nice. All right, and then the kitchen. A lot happens in the kitchen. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very helpful actors. So here we are. It's great to be here. Hey, pan over the audience, but avoid the stuff in the front row that hasn't been put away yet. The Trinity Playhouse, what a beautiful historic building. We've been here since 1859 as a church, and now we put on these great productions. So we hope you will come down and enjoy that.